Begin by navigating to Account Management. Expand the Actions arrow to update the member's permissions. Download files is a default permission. Users can accept click-through license agreements and download files to which the account is entitled from the Downloads catalog. Grant or remove Deploy Software permission. If access is granted, users can manage deployments, allocate licensed features, configure license servers, and download license files. Grant or remove Manage Subscriptions permission. If access is granted, users can manage HCLSoftware-hosted SaaS subscriptions created through the HCLSoftware marketplace. Toggle the admin switch to grant or revoke administrator rights. If access is granted, users can manage account membership and auto-update keys. Account administrators are automatically granted all other permissions. Don't forget to select Save Changes to apply your updates to the user's permissions.